Good morning. Real quick, I wanted to share that we keep ladybugs in our refrigerator, and when I came to give my friend some eggs, I went in the refrigerator and there was a ladybug inside of there. So I'm like, how did the ladybug get inside of the eggs? So I kind of tore a little hole and I can't figure out where the ladybug went. So do I give these eggs to her anyway? The life of a gardener. So we keep ladybugs in the refrigerator. We're supposed to be in a cold, dark place. And I come to get eggs and there is a ladybug in the egg carton. So I'm like, maybe we need to find a different place to keep these here ladybugs. So I'm gonna give these eggs to my friend at work and I can't find the ladybug. I know it was in here, but I feel weird now, like opening the whole carton of eggs. But like if she finds a bug in here, don't you think that's a little bit weirder? What should I do? I've got eggs that I want to give to a friend. I know that there is a ladybug in there. I saw it. Before I could go get my camera and get back, it had woken up and moved. So I don't know what to do. I guess I'll just give it to her and tell her, hey, I have ladybugs. She knows I'm a gardener. And say, I have ladybugs in there. There might be one in your eggs. I found it. There it is. Right there. So, I need to get it out. Little ladybug. Not in the eggs anymore. Just a few seconds of leaving them. They are coming out like crazy. Now I'm on the race to get these ladybugs back in to the bag. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put these out in the garden. They're already awake. And I'm gonna clip this closed. That way they can stay in there. I'm gonna take these ones out into the garden. So let's go do that. Transitioning everything from the garage to the backyard and getting tools ready. So I'm gonna come out here and I'm just gonna shake them on there. I know that there are bugs on this plant, but I'll let these ladybugs have at that. Something's eating the cabbage, the lettuce, broccoli, everything's doing so good. There's our lovely sunflower. And I'm getting tomatoes looking really nice on this tomato plant. One of the things I'm gonna have to get used to is a gardening season somewhere else, because we really do have quite an extended gardening season here. Well, thanks for checking out my short ladybug video. Until next time, from our family to yours, we hope you have a blessed day.